Greetings. Ha! This Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. And I will say hello, chat. I say cheers, buddies. You know, it's just water, so no any strong beverages here on the stream. How are you doing, guys? I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I hope everything is going good with you guys. So, I will tell you, in this stream, we're going to discover some penguins. No, I mean, I will go further into the lobby with making the 4 versus 4 teleporter. And I actually need to make it because I was taking a little bit more time on the player versus player one. But it was actually looking pretty well. So, I will tell you, let me scroll a little bit faster. So we get here. So that was my design. And I will tell you, I kind of like it. It works. And this is just for one thing. I might need to make more if more players are playing it. Why are you opening? Thank you. So I'm actually, yeah, very happy with this. I love this, what I'm doing. Creating a nice vibe, if you want to say it like that. And I need to check something out on Discord. I sent somebody a text message. So I need to see that everything is really fun or really good. And I will tell you, it's really good happening there. Nothing, nothing weird is going on there. So let's go to the other side and let's make something. So now the only thing what I have at the moment is I got here a piece. That's this one basically, and I might need to move it a little bit, but I think I'm just good over there. I only need to make something there that I say, okay, that looks good. And yeah, I already got a feeling I need to have a ton of teleporters over there. Because 4 versus 4, you know, you can go there solo. You can go kind of like this, basically. So yeah, we really need to make kind of similar to what I'm seeing here. And having just a great time with creating this happy thing, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, you know, that sounds like a good plan. But also, I might need to rework this one. Actually, this one can go deleting. And I'm going to grab this one for a bit. Let's do that first. I'm back in the old engine. The reason is, yeah, this one is a ton better than the other one. Here, reflect. And let's go on this. We have this side, but now I'm kind of not understanding why I do not have this one and I have this color. Because that slate is kind of different than what I have in there. I mean, I don't want to be a jerk in that, but what? No, no way. Really? Why it is going to be messed up, guys? I I don't get it. I really don't get it. I mean, it's really slate number 1. It's not 2. It's called stone. Oh, rock even. Yo, insistence. What's up? Wasabi. Wasabi, man. So, I'm kind of curious why this is happening because I have really no freaking clue what's happening there. Why this is, I don't know why. I have no freaking clue what's happening over there. I have really no clue what's happening there. I did not change that at all. So my question is why it is flipping and why it is changing my slate. I mean, you know, I have no clue why. I'm going to be honest on this, guys. No, it's really crazy, man. I have it also on the hobby. I'm just losing the colors. I think I fixed it right now, but yeah, I kind of fixed it here. This one is fixed. But I was that was kind of crazy, and, and this was also uh, not great. So that was kind of crazy. I have really no clue. Like a spider on the web was saying, "Hey man, it's a very good internet thing." Minecraft? No, I don't have that, buddy. And I must say, I like watching it, but playing it, no. I mean, I really like watching it, but I'm not a guy that is playing it. And you know, everybody has his play style, so you know. Still, I'm not very happy with this, but I might remake this, but I'm not sure yet. I think of reshaping this, although I kind of like the design. I also need to get rid of the grass. Also on that side. So that's also what I'm going to do. I think this design is a lot better than that. If I'm going to be honest there. I really love this. It's just simplicity. It has something on it. Very easy, you know. Kind of saying, yes, jump on me. Sure, I will. And still, I need to change the colors, by the way. I kind of forgot to change this color. No, I did not do that. Crazy baboon. I think it's also because it's in a model. Uh, no, I'm not touching it. You saw it. I did not touch the thing. I really did not touch the thing. I did not. I did not touch the whole thing. I did not touch it. I really did not touch it. So I have really no clue why it is doing that. Oh look, I got there the same issue. I have really no clue why that is happening, by the way. I have really no freaking clue. Gladly, I'm great with finding the things what I need. So that's the good part. So, so yeah, I really don't know what's happening there, guys. I feel a little bit that it takes a little bit of shit on me. But this is the correct way. Yeah, that looks beautiful. All right. And I must say I really like this because it's so beautiful. It's just crazy. It's just easy. You know where to stand on. Blue team, pink team, you know. It's like dancing on a water lily, you know. You know, like an elf. So it's always, and I really did. What's going on? I really placed this up here. Can I just go here, please? Thank you. I'm not sure what's going on, and I don't like it. Yeah, they're still good. I'm just wondering what is happening here. Do I might have too much things in there? I mean, that is a possibility. This is still good. I love that. That's still good. I'm not going to touch it. I'm good. I'm totally alright. I might need to make a sign or something. Yeah, we really do not to forget that. But first, we're going to design the other stuff. And I'm kind of thinking of just dragging the other one out there. But I also want to be a little bit unique on that one as well. So, let's do that. Like Batman once said, Robin, back to the Batmobile. Well, let's dive into some stuff over here. I still don't know that I will use everything. This piece, basically, it's from here to this. So I'm kind of thinking, or no, that's not possible. I'm just thinking of a way. Damn it! Why I'm pinked? I have no clue why. That was a not very a good ping. Now I could change this one, this, this, this one to here. I can actually do that. Then I have this whole piece for 4 versus 4. But my question is then, is that actually really needed? And I think I really need to think of a nice way for having actually really some cool options in here. But I'm kind of thinking on how. Um, so let's take our famous drawing board. And actually, we need to see what we are going to do there. So, this is my board, basically. Well, that works. So, what I'm thinking, I'll just have a few options. Because I really want to have it perfectly. So we have a teleport section. Let's take something. Let's take blue for the teleporters, by the way. So I got here a teleporter thing, and I got it here. So then I have kind of a section from this that's going to, well, you got the idea, to that side. So, and then has this a bit for socializing. I might just make free bazooka frenzy things. Although that needs to have also a little bit more stuff to it, so I kind of leaning to, you know. So this one has a little bit like this. So everything in, well, kind of up here. Well, between the yellow lines, I want to say. We need to put things. So then I'm thinking, oh, let's re-add those lines, by the way. Let's take them a little bit here. Let's take them a little bit more here. Just very short. It doesn't really need to be big, this one. So what we can do, we can plant a lot of teleporters in this big area here. In this big area, because this one has a little bit a corner. So we can put a randomizer, a teleport randomizer. Put a randomizer up here, something like that. And we can put one kinda here, I think. So that means that we can work um with the other teleporters. They can hug the wall like I did with the other one. So it's kind of like this, like that, and it will be over here. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about. But also I might want to do something on this side as well. That is uh, hugging this this path a little bit. Oh, let me undo this a little bit. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about. The thing is that a good idea? I still need to make the other ones. It is actually wider than what I normally do. So it's not really that great, but you know, it's something. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. What do you guys think of? I mean, that is really an idea. What I have. I mean, that is really what I'm just trying to think up there. Just trying to do something in OBS. Something is going wrong there. It's not doing what I wanted to do. I don't know what's going on there, but I don't like it. Let's see that I can do something here on the side. Because I really that is working. Let me quit Discord for a bit. Sorry for this, guys. I just need to troubleshoot this for a bit. That's the one. Now it's working again. There was some a little bit a function that was not working. I was kind of curious what's happening there. Sorry for that. That was not not really nice of me. Let me see something up there. All right, back to reality. So I really need to think of a nice way. Might I just copy the other one to this because I kind of, you know what? That design is actually not that bad. I actually love that design. I only need to attach something else to it. Um, the reason is that a good thing? That is the whole thing what I need to get an answer to when I actually create this part, you know? But I kind of like that my randomizers, yeah, randomizers, for the people that don't know what I mean with that is, yeah, that's for the people that just want to do random maps and just jump on a platform and just go, you know? I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. Those people, you know. So that's kind of why I want to put that, yeah, here on the edges. So people, when they come back, they can use the teleport very fast with this one. They can choose this in the first thing or just here in the back. So they can choose between those two. That's actually what I tried to do with this. Let's see, that's actually really going to happen. Uh, the only thing is I need to see how big everything is, but I kind of like the idea for using this. That makes sense for me. You know, I think I'm going to do that because this one looks actually really cool. The thing is, everything looks the same. Then, do I really care about that? No, it is really about the functionality. If I'll be honest. So, let's. Dude, need to go back there. Oh, there's really plenty of space over there. Not bad with aiming with a rotation, I can tell you. So I think I'll actually use this for that as well for making a nice teleportation thing. The only thing is I need to make this bigger. So we need to unscrew a few things if you want to say it like that. Especially with this kind of stuff. So let's make this a little bit more scalable. This is actually going to be huge. That actually looked bad, if I'll be honest. No, that was not really the thing what I was aiming for. Eh, I don't like that. I need to redo this. Alright. I don't mind. Actually, I do, but All right, let's go. Um, it is going to be bigger, so I need to think a little bit on something. But I don't want to make it too big either. Because I want to... I'm going to aim for 5 or 6 of those. For making it... Yeah, 5 or 6 of those teleportations. So yeah. But I'm going to aim also for the same idea what I have there. Friends on one side, and then solo on the other side. So yeah. Am I not going too crazy with this? No, I actually can do that. Hmm. We don't need to forget that we have the randomized teleports as well. Because we have this thing here too. That's not easy, guys. The more the map is going to be filled, you actually need to think of a solution. And that's fine. I kind of like making solutions, so that's good. Yeah, that is perfectly. I want to do something that you really say, okay, that's really awesome. Hold on, guys. I'm getting really crazy about the pinging. What the hell is pinging me all the time? You don't hear a sound, but I see the screen flickering. Let me change the settings. All right. Yeah. And that's it. All right. I'm not going to be disturbed anymore. I actually have streamer mode enabled, so I don't know why that thing is still going off. Well, I have developer mode actually on, so I think that can be a case. I don't know. So let's make a compact thing out of this. Let's drag it just here. I want to make it smaller than that one. Not really that big. I still like these. I really love these. And it's again happening? You're kidding me? Dude, it. I mean, I don't really want to be an asshole on this stuff, but it's really getting crazy, guys. I mean, I don't want to be an asshole, but I really don't. But this is kind of crazy. Do you guys have this problem too? I mean, that's just nuts. I actually fixed this shit. No, it really, I really, I actually changed this. I mean, do I really need to pick it from here? Roblox has a serious problem. Oh, that's too far. Roblox is really having a big problem, guys. That's not a joke, man. Roblox has a very serious issue right now. And they created that on their own. So not sure what they are doing, but I hope they will actually fix this stuff. The weird thing is, I did not see anything on the creation forums. So I think no, not everybody has that issue. So we actually need to expand this one a little bit. Let's extend this a little bit more. We also need to have the side one. So we go actually going to have the smaller ones as well. And I still don't like what the game did. So yeah. Oh, I did like that. All right. That works too. And yes, guys, I can be really crazy. As you already noticed. But we love that, ain't it? You know that. We love that little bit of craziness. It's a nice touch. Not too much, though. Um, yeah, this can be it. I still do not. I really don't know why that is happening, guys. Uh, I mean, I really don't know, man. If you have the solution, please let me know in the comments on YouTube. But I have really no freaking clue. So let's get this monkey back to what we having. Really, really, really. This is bad, actually, guys. I actually played a lot with different kinds of game engines, but this is actually horrible. Disappearing? That's not good. Yeah, that's really not good. I can tell you that honestly. How big is this? Oh yeah, he can stand 4 players on. Easy. This one too, that's really good. So we kind of need to expand. I really love this design. I'm probably going to do that to the other one too. Let's see, guys. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. Uh, let's control this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I said this one. Thank you. Let's do those two. And let's take the plastic variant. Now, of course, I didn't choose anything there. So that's quite good. Let's make this also a little good looking. I think that then it looks actually really good. Feature panels number 1. Wow. You know what? I actually dig this a lot. Not sure what you guys think, but I actually love this. Oh, no, that's actually good. Value. Well, of course, I need to be lighter, so. Oh, yeah, this is good. That's crazy. I actually like this. Yeah, kind of like that, is it? Yeah. Ooh, I really dig this. That looks actually freaking awesome. Oh man, this is good. Yeah, that looks absolutely good. I need to see this in game actually. There's spot 2 because that's there. Oh yeah, that looks absolutely fantastic. The shine is there. That looks quite good. I need to match the colors over there as well. So let's do that. And I think I did not do that over there. No. I was already afraid of that. Yeah, we need to match everything. Now, this orange is perfect. I'm not going to change that. The blue is actually not great. We definitely need to change that. This one looks quite good. It's just for solo play, so I'm fine with that. For random, so that's good. So let's see that we can match the colors. That will be actually really nice if we can do that. Dear Roblox, can you please fucking repair this material manager? This is just fucking crazy. Sorry if I swear, but this is just really fucking crazy. I'm only selecting a thing. I didn't change anything. I didn't change anything. I just. I only select that damn thing. I mean, I like Roblox, but I like Roblox Studio, but this bug is, I don't know. How I going to call this one? Well, I think we know the saying, right? I think we all know what I tried to say there. And I still need to have this one too. And I know this one's what is that different than from the other guy? Please tell me. What is the difference with that? Can you tell me that Roblox? Roblox guys. If you know those guys, feel free to clip something from this and send that to them. Feel free for doing that. Because this is just bullocks. And it really is. Like I said, I'm normally really a happy guy. But that is really absolutely bunkers. That looks actually really good. Yeah, the orange can be a little bit more, you know. Is that already this? Oh, okay. Uh, uh-huh. Kinda like that. Kinda looks the same, but it is a little bit more brighter, you know? Yeah, I mean, I I don't mind something is broken, but this is just really bad. That's just crazy, guys. Uh, I'm really going to be honest on this. This is just bunkers. Ooh, that looks actually quite nice. Uh, kind of like it more different. Not that really crazy. This should do it. Still a little bit too blue, but more. I might want to change this blue something else. But the thing is, which color then? Yellow? Red? Oh, red is actually ugly. I think this will do. Let me publish to Roblox. Yeah, I really love this. Yeah, sorry guys, I was just following something for work as well. I know it's weekend, But sometimes you need to study something as well. That's already a ton better. That looks quite good actually. That orange is really nice. You can stand on this. This is a really a nice blue. I actually love that a lot. Really nice. This is really beautiful. It makes really a difference than picking up yeah, like I said, really a blue thing or just a blue color. Huh. I'm actually digging this a lot. Is it simple? Is it elegant? Yep. But you know, I like that. So, it's actually really going to look good. Can I say it like that? Then I might want to use these. The same teleportations for that. Huh. Just thinking in a thought, you know. Just thinking, oh well. Oh yeah, I need to send something to my buddy. I mean, it is really a good design. But I also know that we need to make this a little bit bigger as well. So let's do that first. Not that much. Uh, 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 I don't think you need to have my reaction, right? I mean, uh, I mean, well, this one's going to be a little bit smaller, of course. We're doing the same stuff like the other ones, so don't worry about everything. So we downgraded a little bit in that. Let's bring this back. That's here. So this is just for solo play. It might look boring, but it's actually not. The reason is also making this is not easy. Yep, that doesn't look really that bad. I wish you can reset this. All right, that looks good. Let's copy. I don't want to copy that actually, but somehow this is working. Ay, 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 ay. I really start to think a Roblox Studio don't give a fuck about this. I mean, they're just making features and think, yeah, that's working, buddies. No, it's not working. It's actually totally shit. Yes, dude, it's actually just totally shit. But I'm still going strong, just working further on this. And see that everything is actually working like it's supposed to be. Let's select these a little bit. I think it's kind of the... I really love this station. Kind of easy, simple, but it's good. Round things. Mm-hmm. I still need to fix this a bit. Uh, this one is not very equal. Oh, it does. No, no, no. Roblox. If you really want to piss me off, you are actually doing a great job at that. Uh, 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 I really want to know what the hell is happening there. I actually really want to know that, guys. Does somebody know this known issue? Because this one is really getting annoyed on my end. Uh, yeah, that's plastic. Oh, I love this. It's only the wrong color. So I need to see what we can do with this. See that it's actually going to be correct for us. Let me see, what did I pick over there? Medium brown? Oh yeah. Now the good thing is I have already screenshots from this one. That was kind of my first thing. Hey, more Roblox. Hello, man. How are things? Oh yeah, that is definitely a change. That is definitely a change. So for the people, actually, I'm actually struggling with keeping my materials on the parts. That's just nuts. I don't know why. The game loves me, I think. But I don't like it. So I actually really want to know what the hell is going on there. Because I have literally no clue, guys. So, um, no, actually, I want to have a round shape on that as well. Let's make that up here. Uh, this one too, I think. Something like that. Let's put a part in. Let me see what parts I have. Because I have that towards this. Let me see that I not selected a lot of those. You see that again? Yeah. I did not do anything, guys. I really don't. I need to rename this. The platforms. I mean, that's just really crazy. I don't know why that is happening. I've really no clue, guys. I have literally no clue what's happening there. No clue. I never had an issue with that. So I might need to see that I can fix it somehow. But that will be good. That will be an easy fix, I hope. It's only strange that it happened now. Or, well, I have it already for a couple of times. So I'm kind of debating on what's really happening over there. I mean, what's going on, man? Not sure what you're doing there, but get closer, please. You need to hack this, sir. This width. Why, dude? Change the pivot, please. Rotate. That's the best thing for that. Let me change a little bit. Move. No way. Come on. Uh, uh, that can be not really that easy, is it? I mean, oh boy. Roblox, Roblox. Yeah, dude, that is plastic. I didn't choose anything there. That's weird, man. Hey, Oyun. What's up? Huh? Oh. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. And it's good to hear that you're doing good. That's always good to hear that. I kinda. You have games too? Hey, that's always nice. Let's um let's get this a little bit more up. Negate. So this works. I love that. Now I need to mirror this to the other side. Oh, he's there. All right. Yeah, thanks. Hey, good luck with your game too. And yes, I have a YouTube channel. I don't know what it is with this music, what I have, but I actually really, really like it. Amazing. Mm-hmm. I think I'm still a little bit off of the edge. Just a little bit. The rest are looking fine. That's it. That's the thing what I wanted. All right. I'm quite happy. Did I anchor that one? Nope. Or the rest even? Yep. That's good. Now I need to add a brown back here. Do I still have it there? No. I kind of forgot which brown it was. Was it that? It looks kind of amazing if you ask me. I really like that. It's really good. So for the onion, for the onion, Jesus. I actually need to put that together. Medium brown. I had medium brown. I cannot remember that. Oh, that's the same. Good. Let's copy this for a bit. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And I think I can do that with that. We only put one size bigger. So 14. And we put the 82. And this we do it slide more down. No, that's the wrong one. Reason why I'm doing that is quite simple. Ah, Phoenix. What's up, man? Oh, that needs to be down. Uh, that needs to be going. What? You're not good at studio. I will tell you, I was not good either, but I gonna tell you a thing. Practice is actually really good. I mean, I don't want to be an asshole in that, but but the thing is, you need to know. I will tell you. I'm going to help you out a little bit. The thing is, with making with making games in general, uh, have books. I, I will give you a little example on what I have here on the side. Um, I gonna tell you a little secret of me. I have this book uh, with well, it's not very showing, but uh, with architecture, and actually those books help your designing. Check those books out. Even with gardens, even with a lot of things. Um, those can actually help you a lot with designing a thing, designing a thing, but designing a building. Because the more you know about a modern building or old, you actually know also how to build that in Roblox. Just with fiddling, with the settings, a little bit with the positioning, how to make the proper way of buildings, and closing the walls to the ceiling, for example. Really, some simple building techniques for doing that. Oh, that's really good. I mean, if you have a really a good idea for that, and you know, I will tell you if it, um, is this your first game, Phoenix? Is this really your first game, or do you made already a few more games? Hey, Sariko, what I'm drinking? I'm just drinking water. That's it. Just pure flat water. I'm not an alcoholist. If you no way. I mean, I could, but no, I will tell you, Sariko. Yeah, in the past, I used medicine that I cannot drink alcohol with it, and since then, I'm not really an alcohol guy. I love beer. I mean, I love a nice wine. I love liquor. But I only drink that with yeah with special occasions. But that's it basically. But that's because I have medicine before that I cannot drink with. So so yeah, I'm not really. I enjoy water or just a soda thing. How you say that? But no, I have medicine. What I could not took anything with alcohol with it. So I was just for more than a year sober, or how you want to say it. I cannot drink. So so yeah, it's not really a fun thing, but yeah, when it is needed, we just do it, right? Let's making a little bit a bigger border around this. Actually, no, it's actually from Belgium. I mean, that's where it is made. Spa. That's that's the brand. It's actually a water with a raspberry and apple. That's actually tasty. If you, I don't know where you live, but if you can get it, I really mean that. This is actually really good stuff. No joke. Really a good thing. I'm not happy with this still. I'm not happy with this guy there. The only thing what I want to solve in this studio is that the material manager is not working properly. He's removing randomly material textures from my stuff. So I really want to fix that. Like this, for example. I have no clue why. I have really no clue why he is doing that. I did not change anything. You saw me only selecting that part. And I have really no clue why. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I mean, I just noticed it for a couple of updates. And I'm not very happy with that, if I'll be honest. So every time I'm just fixing the textures and hoping that it stays there. So let's see this in a real game. I don't want to walk that long. Yeah, those can go a little bit more down. Yep. I don't want to select them, but I must. Oh, yeah, it stays there. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. Uh, all right, that's strange. I need to fix that. Dude, why are you doing that there? I really start to piss off this machine. Uh, 3332. Yes, I'm quite happy with that. Dude. Uh, it, it, I mean, really? Again? Really? Well, at least I know where it is. But I don't like that. Let me fix that one as well. And that's working fine. I don't know why, but 33.5 was it? Something like that. Close enough. Fine. Fine by me. That will suit. I'm happy. It's kind of crazy how an engine works. I actually work with GTK Radiant. I never had that issue. Really, never. Wow, that was a lucky guess. I can slightly up, but I'm not bothered about it. That's good. Solo play. You can here you can choose your team, and this is for friends. If you have two friends with you or less, or just alone, that's also possible. I Now this is kind of good. I don't know why. This pattern, I actually love that. It really looks good on basically on everything. It is a wall panel, but I must say it really looks good on this too. So I'm quite happy with this. Uh, yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Looks pretty well done, actually. That's good. All right, let's add the wall to it. Let's select me this. Now it works. Yes, please. Let me have you here. Can I grab that one or do I make my own? No, it's a biggie. So I can actually use one of this. Yo, man, I need you. Why are you doing that? I mean, why? And now it's fine. Oh man. Uh, yeah. I have totally no clue, guys. This is for me really a crazy thing. I have literally no clue what's happening there. And do I like it? Well, I think you can guess my response on that. But why are you there? I mean, I don't want to be an asshole, but I really did not put anything there. What? Witchcraft? Witchcraft? Now I need to find the right angle. But that's kind of easy. And I actually don't mind. That's kind of in there. He is kind of in there. I don't mind that actually. I really don't mind that for a bit. Does it look good? It's kind of in the middle. That is in the middle. And we need to scale this a little bit up because I went down for a bit. What is the height on the other side? $18.5? No, that's not the one. Is it? Yes, it is. 18.5. That high? Huh. Okay. All right. That looks quite good, actually. Let me open Google Chrome for a bit. And let's copy something in there. Sometimes I'm really wondering why people are making games like grow your poop. I mean, I that's just crazy. That's just really crazy. I mean, now I need to have a nice map where I can show. Yeah, I think I can use this. Let's add, edit this with GIMP. Oh, there's the new one. That's the one actually that I didn't want to open. But I guess for this is just fine. No, I want to open another one. Nah, I kind of like this picture. So, Always nice when you need to do that. And I need to go there. Oh, that's wrong actually. So I need to put a light on there. That's fine. I think I took a dark part for that. To make a horror game? Horror games are cool. The only thing you need to be in mind is, do you really want to do that? Yeah? Oh, wow. Then I will say go for it. Then really go for that, man. I didn't see this in game, but I think I took a little bit a dark thing there. Hmm. I actually wonder, can I not put that light directly on it? I mean, I need to see it in game before I say yes. I'm not happy with the coloring. I probably need to do it in GIMP. Let's see what it does. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but I need to make the shadows a little bit lighter. So, hey, Sawo! Long time no see indeed. How are you? How you doing? Oh yeah, that coloration is not really that good. Uh-huh. Oops. Alright, let's see that we can fix something. Definitely a little bit more brighter. I kinda agree on that. Let's adjust the shadows a little bit. Highlights, not really needed. Well, I need to have it more brighter. So we love this. Not really. Brightness. I need to have it this bright. So yeah. Oh, for right. I know it's kind of more darky. I mean, too light, but sadly we need to have that. Sometimes we need to adjust something, right? I hope this one looks quite good now. He is brighter. Yeah, you see a lot more on this one. That's a ton better than what I had. At least you can see something on it. I might still need to make a better picture, guys. Let's do that. Because I'm not happy with what I have. Let's load everything up. Engine is still having issues right now. I wonder actually who the fuck did change the weather type. It was myself. Well, I still need to have a better map for the clouds. So let's see that we can do something with this. I don't like the light. I might want to use this. The forest one. Actually, I use that on the other one as well. That one is quite good. That looks actually really good. Not too dark. I mean, it is. Hmm. All right. Uh, Whew, I must say, I kind of feel really good tired. We love this stuff. Oh, that's a lot better than that. That looks actually really good. I don't need to change anything. The color is perfect. Yeah, that looks just amazing. Absolutely good. No need to change. Ugh. That looks really good. I must be honest. This actually looks very good. Sorry, guys. I must say, it slept very good, but it could be a little bit more better if you want to say it like that. is huge. But that's okay. But that's okay. Let's see what we can see in game. So let's go back to the lobby. Now soon we actually need to make a test run with everything. So that will be excellent. Who cannot wait for that? Me! Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, this looks actually brilliant. I might need to add a sign to that somewhere. I kind of love that stuff. I might need to add a sign for that one. Container yard. Beautiful place. Fun building too. I must say I had a total different thing in mind. But eventually I created that. So that's kind of cool. Beautiful, guys. I actually love that. And so yeah, we actually need to make something to work on this. So I might just want to copy that script on there. Let's go there. Now this time it doesn't really matter which one we take. I just want to test something in here. Let's take that. Let's take only this. No, I'm not going to do it, by the way. So, guys, I'm actually done with streaming. I also feel a little bit tired. So, yeah, next time we actually need to make those. We need to plant them kind of where we want to have it. But it is taking shape, guys, and that's really awesome. Also, we might need to make a little bit more with gates. I have a plugin for that, so that will be actually really cool to work with that. Making a little bit more interacting, a little bit more that you say, okay, well, that's actually quite fun. Also, on the next time, we should go, well, basically shaping more of the UI. We have the teleporter thing, but we need to add more with columns right there. We need to also need to point keyboards and settings to that. So that's actually really, really cool. We still need to shape where the teleports are here. And then we are very close to beta testing after that. So that's actually really good. So let me see what I can do regards on Aura. Making teleport station from the current maps. We have actually you have this one. And we have this one. Now 2 versus 2. I'm not making that yet because we don't have that yet. Ooh, I need to add Bazooka Frenzy to this. So we are quite good with clearing things out. So that's actually really good, I must say. So yeah, I'm quite happy with what we are doing right now. It's really good that we have a sort of a planning. Yeah, I did not do that. I still need to work for data storage. I still need to figure out what I want, what I need, and what I need to do. So I'm definitely going to see it tomorrow or Sunday that I'm going to write a ton of things down for this, what we need. Bug checking. Yeah, we need to do that too. So yeah, there's actually a lot of stuff what we need to do in this. That's fine. That's totally fine. Just trying to. We need to make it more better, guys. Do we have a timeline? Not really at the moment. But soon we actually need to do a ton of things. And that's no joke, by the way. We need to add a timeline somewhere. Yeah, so I really need to do something. Oh, edit views, list. I kind of like this. But I need to make a time frame. I must be honest, I really need to make it a time frame. So yeah, we need to do a ton of stuff, and yeah, that will be actually really fun. So yeah, there we have a lot to do, and I will make a planning, so you guys will see that on this as well. But yeah, sorry guys, stream is going to end. Yes, I know, sorry. 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 But yeah, I actually feel sleepy. And when I feel that, then I know that's my own notification to say, okay, well, that's enough for streaming. Otherwise, I'm talking more nonsense. If you want to say it like that, at least. Yeah, tomorrow I am back. Probably streaming from 7 p.m. I think I have that listed as a thing. Uh, and we going to work on a lot of stuff in the lobby. So that will be fun. UI design properly. I'm not sure yet. Or that we're just going to create a little bit more stuff into it, making it a little bit more beautiful. But yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do still. Or we just start with this, making a timeline. We'll see. But it will be a really a fun thing. So for now, I will say, chat. Thank you for being here. It was actually that was really a nice chat, guys. I really appreciate that. And yeah, I wish you really a good weekend. And just enjoy, enjoy it with your friends, enjoy the weather, go out, have fun, and I hope that I see you on the next stream. So I will always say, be chill, be relaxed, and always be yourself with everything what you do in your life. And I will see you next time on the next stream. Goodbye, folks. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.